In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and configure the Microsoft Teams Power Up in Trello. We'll start with your board open and ready. Look toward the top of your board for the Power Ups option. It's usually in the board menu or near the board's title depending on your layout. Click on Power Ups to open the panel. Power Ups are add-ons that extend your board's capabilities, and this panel is where you manage everything related to them. If your workspace uses restrictions, you might see only approved options here, which is normal. Next, click on Add Power Ups. This takes you into the directory where you can browse all available integrations. You'll notice categories, featured picks, and sometimes recommendations based on what's already enabled. Don't worry about exploring too much right now. We're heading straight to the one we need. Go to search within this directory. The search bar is typically at the top, making it easy to jump directly to the tool you want. Click into the search field so it's active and ready to type. Now search for Microsoft Teams. Type the full name to narrow the results quickly. You should see the Microsoft Teams Power Up appear with its icon and a short description explaining what it connects and how it helps. Click on Microsoft Teams to open its detail page. Here you'll find a brief overview of what the integration does, common use cases, and any notes about availability or permissions. This page is helpful for confirming you've got the right power-up, and it often includes screenshots or examples so you know what to expect once it's on your board. Finally, click on Configure. This opens the configuration panel for Microsoft Teams. Take a moment to review the options presented. Depending on your setup, you may see choices related to how your board connects to Teams, which areas of your board will sync, or how notifications appear. This screen is designed to guide you, so read each option carefully and consider what best suits your workflow. If you're part of a larger workspace, it's a good idea to align your selections with any team guidelines you follow. That's it. You clicked on Power Ups, clicked on Add Power Ups, went to search for Microsoft Teams, clicked on Microsoft Teams, and clicked on Configure. With that done, your board is ready for the next steps you choose within the configuration panel. If something doesn't appear as expected, double check your permissions or try reopening the Power Ups panel. Thanks for watching and enjoy streamlining your workflow with Microsoft